Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can buy from Alibaba with free shipping. So if you want to buy any product or you want to buy large quantities with free shipping, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you like multiple methods on how you can get free shipping on Alibaba. Okay, I actually don't like this word of free shipping because most of the time, I would say like 100 times, like 100%, okay, what I say is correct. When you see like a when you see free shipping on the product page, it doesn't really mean anything. Okay, you are paying for the shipping because the supplier or the seller is not going to pay for the shipping. So also you don't want to pay for the shipping, and who is going to pay for the shipping? Okay, so the shipping company, you have to get the money, okay, to ship the product to you. So what most like suppliers on Alibaba do is they include the shipping price in the product price. Okay, so if the product costs like $20 and the shipping costs also $20, they are going to sell that product for $40 and you will offer free shipping. It's just a trick to make you thinking that you are getting this item that is worth $40 and also it's free shipping. Okay, it makes you think that, but it's not really real. Okay, you are paying for the shipping, but most of the time this is going to be solved. Okay, you are going to get a cheaper item, okay, on Alibaba, cheaper prices for shipping. I am going to show you how we can do that. If you want to buy, by the way, if you want to buy large quantities, keep watching because I also have many ideas for people who want to buy like 100 products, 200. I am going to show you guys how you can reduce the shipping price. Okay, let's get started. So for people who want to buy a few products, like 5 products or 1 product, first thing you need to do, guys, here is you want to search for the item that you want to purchase from Alibaba. Okay, so for example, it can be, for example, makeup products. Okay, this is just an example. I'm going to search here for makeup. As you can see, you can find a lot of like orders here, a lot of products, a lot of products here that are available for shipping. Okay, so if you want to make, like, as you can see, of course there are other products that are going to be only available if you want to buy like large quantities. Okay, so what you guys need to do is you want to just scroll down and you want to set here you want to scroll down, and here where it says minimum order, you want to enter here the minimum order. Okay, because this is very important. If you don't do this, like, Alibaba will show you all products from all companies, and there are some companies, they don't sell one product, they don't sell one piece. Okay, they only sell like minimum like 10 order or 10 orders or 5 or like 5 orders the minimum. But what you can do here is you want to set here the minimum order amount. I'm going to buy, for example, 1 product. I'm going to click on OK. So all these products that you are going to see here are available for shipping. Okay, you can easily get these items and they will be shipped to you to your country. Okay, then you will be able to receive these items because these items can be shipped to you even if you want to buy only 1 piece. Okay, so you want to find the item that you want to purchase. Let's say that I want to purchase this item. Okay, now I'm going to click on start order. I'm going to check the shipping price here. Okay, I'm going to buy 1 product. As you can see, the product price here is $3. Okay, almost $4. Okay, but what about the shipping? I'm going to click on as you can see here, it says shipping total, it was $10, but because you are buying 1 piece, it's free. Okay, that way you can get free shipping, as you can see, and also you will receive it guaranteed delivery by December 23. Okay, so that's another way to get free shipping on Alibaba, but a lot of people don't know this. Okay, so as you can see, now I'm only going to pay $3 or $4, and the shipping is free, as you can see here. Okay, it's free. I'm not going to pay for the shipping. Okay, this is just one way I do to get free shipping from Alibaba. Another way is you want to copy this title and search for this exact product on AliExpress if you can find it. As you know, Alibaba owns AliExpress, like the same sellers. The only difference is Alibaba focuses more on selling large quantities, and AliExpress they focus more on selling to individuals, okay, people who want to purchase products for personal use. Okay, so for example, you want to go to AliExpress and search for the exact same product that you have found from Alibaba. You want to search for it on AliExpress, and you will be able to find sellers that are offering free shipping. Because on AliExpress you can just search here for mica, for example, and you can just like select here where it says delivery options and services. You can just check this box that says free shipping, and AliExpress will show you only products that offer free shipping. But on Alibaba there is no feature that option that allows you to select free shipping, so that you will be able to see all products that offer free shipping. Okay, this is just the advantage of using AliExpress. Don't like keep in mind, like I said, Alibaba owns AliExpress. They are exact same suppliers most of the time. They are the same. They just good from Alibaba, like they are buying large quantities from Alibaba and they are selling pieces, okay, like to individuals. Okay, so the minimum order amount is always going to be 1 on AliExpress. Okay, another way to get free shipping is if you see here a very expensive shipping price, you can just click on contact supplier. Okay, that's what I do. You want to click here, as you can see, and you will be able to contact the supplier. Explain to them something like, I want to purchase this item, but the shipping price is very expensive for me. Can you please like reduce the price, or if you have another special like shipping method that you can use to reduce the price for the shipping. And it always works. Okay, it always works, and you have to make sure you tell them your country so that they can see the shipping methods that they can use, so that they can ship this product to you with free shipping or with reduced like shipping price. Okay, because there is nothing like as free shipping. Okay, you are going to pay for the shipping, but in a hidden way. Probably they are including the shipping price in the product price. Okay, that's exactly what a lot of companies do. If you don't know that, okay, 100% I'm sure about this, because I also sell on eBay, do drop shipping on eBay, and they always offer free shipping, but I include the price of the shipping in the product price. Okay, and people think they are getting free shipping, and I noticed a very big increase in sales, so it works. So that's exactly what you need to do. Another way is, if you want to buy large quantities, like more than one product, make sure you drop a like on this tutorial and watch the video in the screen. That will show you exactly how you can buy more than one product, from 1, 2, 3, like 100 products, 200 for big companies. That video will help you a lot with shipping on Alibaba. Okay, so drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, by the way. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys in the next tutorial.